Hello friends, my name is Latifa Bonu. We are going to see about IoT in healthcare monitoring today. Today I am going to present about IoT in healthcare monitoring. This IoT is the recent technology that has been used all over the world. I have prepared this PPT. Second slide is my name. Let's go to third slide. The more we are advanced, the faster we are advancing. We live in a world of exponential increasing technology advancement. Never in the history of mankind have so many such advancements emerged in the parallel and in combination carrying so impact. One of such impact is IoT, Internet of Things. Let's go to third slide. What is IoT? IoT means Internet of Things. We know Internet of People in social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and so on. Likewise, IoT refers to billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the Internet, all collecting and sharing data for something as small as pill to something as big as aeroplane into part of IoT. That is, things plus sense plus communication equal to IoT. Let's go to next slide. Development in medicine. We can see about digital revolution in healthcare. This is what called as fourth industrial revolution. Digitalized healthcare has been increased investment for last few years, particularly across Asia Pacific, and it is reshaping the healthcare industry of future. For example, smart hospital done in 2020, widespread use of technology enabled healthcare. Let's go to next slide. What is telehealth? Telehealth is the delivery of healthcare service and clinical information to remote location. Telehealth is a new paradigm in the health industry. Telehealth is an hard indeed solution in the 21st century. Let's see what are the devices used in IoT in next slide. Electronic pill dispenser can organize weekly or monthly medication supply. It can dispense up to 28 doses daily and alert by an alarm and flashing light. Like this, we have biomonitoring drugs, electronic bottle caps and pouches, and smart watches, which uses as the technology devices in recent times. In next slide, this shows the graph to know the increasing demand for these devices in the near future. Let's see how IoT is used in healthcare. Before IoT, patients interact with doctors were limited to visit and tele and text communication. IoT for patients. Devices in the form of wearable like fitness band and other wirelessly connected devices like blood pressure and health rate monitoring, cuffers, glucometer, etc. give patient access to personalized attention. These devices can be tuned to remind calorie count, exercise check, appointment, blood pressure variation and much more. IoT has changed people's lives, especially elderly patients, by enabling constant tracking of health condition. This is major impact of people living alone and their families. On any disturbance or changes in the routine activity of person, alert mechanism sends signals to the family members and concerned health providers. Let's go to next slide. We are going to see about working of IoT in this slide. Device connection and connectivity were IoT devices and IoT connectivity and embedded intelligence. Data sensing. Step 2. Capturing data sensor and tag storage. Step 3. Communication. Focus and access network, cloud, edge data transport. Step 4. Data analytics, big data analysis, AI and cognitive analysis at the edge. Step 5. Data value. Analysis to action APIs and process actionable intelligence. Step 6. Human value, smart applications, stakeholder benefits and tangible benefits. Let's see advantages of IoT in next slide. Advantages are low expense, better treatment result, better disease control, fewer mistakes, more trust towards doctor, medicine control, better disease control and maintenance of medical devices. Disadvantage of IoT. Disadvantages of IoT are it is very expensive, it requires time to adapt, they are over dependency, they are susceptible to hackers. They are being in progress to resolve. Challenges. Challenges of IoT. Lack of government support, scale data volume and performance, data integration, data privacy, need for medical expertise. Countries with most IoT devices. Netherlands became world's first country to create nation worldwide IoT network. Let's hope India will come in this graph in upcoming years. Companies based on IoT are IBM, Algo Engines, Pixel Crayons, Altizen System and so on. Future of IoT. Today, most of the people are connected to internet. IoT is the future. If you think that internet has changed your life, think again. The IoT is about to change it all over again. The next technology that is used in worldwide is Li-Fi technology. Thank you everyone for a wonderful opportunity. Hope everyone will be better soon. Stay home, stay safe. Once again, thank you.